I am Zara, your new neighbor. I am Joy, where are you from? I am from Budapest. Budapest is a good place. How do you like China? It's like very much. It's a good place too. Are you used to life and the weather in China? Frankly speaking, not yet. No problem, it's a matter of time. Oh, how time flies. It's time for me to pick up my little girl. See you later. See you. If you have any difficulty, please don't hesitate. Let me know. Dayla too. Nice to meet you. I am your new neighbor. Nice to meet you. Your face looks familiar to me. Let me see. Oh, you are the youngest daughter of Green. Yes, I may have your name. My name is Jock. You are the best friend of my father. Exactly. I have heard a lot about you. I hope it's not bad things about me. How do you, father? He's so fine. Send my best wishes to him. Thank you very much. Okay, I have to go home. See you later. Okay, no problem. Nice to meet you. You can call me whenever you are free. Okay, yes, see. Okay, bye. Have a nice day. Thank you for watching.